Howdy y'all, LeRoy here again, and I'm ready to make another video for y'all, and this time it's going to be one of my specialties. I make this one thing called cinnamon pig in the blankets, and this time it's going to be, I got to take some butter, come over here at the fridge right now. First thing I do, come over here and get some butter, and take the butter. Okay, go in here and find the butter out of the fridge. Alright, grab butter out of the fridge, come back over. Yeah, we're down to one stick of butter. I'll have to go get more next week. Alright, so wish I had more fucking light in this kitchen. Not much light in this room. Alright, so we gotta open the butter. Hold on a second, let's set y'all down real fast. Set y'all right here for a second so I can open the butter. Just like that. And this time you gotta open the butter. This video might be a little messy, but who gives a shit, right? I do mine right there and then. I don't usually edit my videos or anything like that. Anyone that don't like it, they can go fuck themselves. So, okay, then now first you gotta take the pan, rub the hell out of the pan, just like that, all up the pan. Rub the butter real good on the pan. Alright, it's greased up, ready to go. Set the pan down. Look at that. Kind of dirty now. Alright, pan's ready to go. I'm going to move you all down here so you can see it better. Alright, got the pan. Let's put it out of the way. That's for a different thing. I'm going to got the pan. Now you got to take the cinnamon rolls. Bust them open. Ah, damn. Yeah, this ain't gonna work, so. Alright, I think I got it this time. Oh, they made an easy opening on these fuckers, didn't they? Didn't know that till now. Alright, there's a twist thing. It's easier to just do this. Get it fucking open so you can pop it. Oh, there we go. Popped right open. How about that? So now, you take your cinnamon roll, just like that. Flatten it on the pan, like that. And take your dogs. Split dog open. I like doing mine after it's smoked on the grill for a little bit, but it's starting to rain outside, so I can't do that. And I might have the grill after all, even in the rain today. And you take your cinnamon roll and your dog, and you push this around like that. So you need anything, bud?
Why is he tearing out the box?
Let's let him do it for now. If he cleans it up, he cleans it up.
He won't. You know that.
You know you gotta clean that mess up after you tear that box up, right? Okay, you better. I'll hold you to that. You take these. It's a really simple thing to do. You can either use a toaster oven or you can preheat the oven. I'm hoping this will fit in the toaster oven. If not, I have to preheat the oven and at 375. Put it in for about 10-15 minutes and just keep a watch on them so they don't burn. You take these like that and set them in the pan like that. So you get as many as you want to make. I'm making 16 of them total. What?
Nothing.
You get some good sleep last night?
Does that matter?
Just wondering. My son's in the room with me. told everyone to stay out when I'm trying to cook and make videos. But I guess my son's gonna be sound in the video, I guess. Oh well. So now I got 3 done. Got more to go. Yep. Take it like that. Well, this one has a crack in it, but it'll still work. Let's push it in there more. Squeeze it in there like that, mix them together. And put them on there like that. Then you get done putting these together. I'll show you what they look like after I get done with that. I have to make a couple videos because I'm using a cell phone here, so unless you guys want to wait for a whole 15 minutes for these damn things to cook, it'll take an hour. That'd be a long ass video. And then I'd give you guys a tour of the house, but the place is kind of a mess. I got kids over, and got my kids over. My niece and her kids are over. Got dogs running through the house. Well, one of them's up in the kennel right now, because she likes to grab stuff off the counter when I cook. So she's in the kennel right now. I lost a couple packets of sausages to her already, and a couple packs of dogs already. Just squeeze these together like that. There's a big. I made them for my kids like almost 2 years ago. They loved them. Now my niece and her kids are going to enjoy them today. And my mom never had them too. She's here too. She lives here now. She fell and broke her hip, so she moved in with me. And if you guys like this, try this at home and see if you guys think what you think. Just you can go anywhere and get any type of cinnamon rolls. Doesn't matter how expensive they are. These were only like 88 cents to $1 a piece for this roll. These ones. Right. Yes, you also put frosting on, but you do that part last. There's 8 already ready to go, and right there. Let's see if we can put all of them on the same row. They might stick, but together. So 8 done already. And I got another box to go. Ah, that popped open on me. Oh, this one's stuck in the... Alright, cool. This one got stuck right in there in that part right there. The butter just squished it part together. Back together like that. Flatten it like that on hand. And then you take another pack of dogs. I gotta open another pack of dogs now. Slit that open. My good old Jinsu 2000 knife. Never have to be sharpened. And still cut through a tin can. I'll show you a demonstration of that too if you guys want to see that. Maybe I'll do that after I get this part done, and be an extra at the end of this. Video. So. There. Starting the next row. Hey guys, I put that barricade up for a reason. Keep Kyler in the front room. So go fix that barricade back up. My niece is a young kid. He's 2. Trying to keep him in the front row with my ma so she can watch him. Braden, you get that sand art put away yet?
Yep.
Got it all back in the bag? All put away?
Well, what do I need to do with the box?
You put it back in the box?
That's it. Yeah.
Steve, is it all put in the box?
What? What?
I said, is it all put back in the box?
Yep.
It's a full house this weekend. These work great for birthday parties and other type just get-togethers with family, and or if you just want to make these as a snack, they work just good for that too. So anyhow, if you like this video, and I got other videos out there. I have like over 50 videos on here, and I'm just a newcomer to YouTube. Been doing this for almost probably close to a year and a half, 2 years now, making videos. This video here, it's going to be probably my 50 something video, probably about 6th video. Anyhow, just about got these all done in the pan. So I just have to preheat the oven and put these in there. You find everything?
Yeah.
Alright. So this is just a hors d'oeuvres type thing, or what the fuck you call that thing. Or this might fill the kids up too, but this is a little treat type way to do this. So like I was saying before, and before someone walked in the back door, if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe and like my video. Comment on anything if you have any comments, you got any ideas for me to do anything, stuff like that. Now the package is in the way. So I about got this part done. I'll show you what it looks like on the pan when I get all these done. You just take and just squish them together like you do a pigs in a blanket. See, like that. 2 left to go. And I'll show you how sharp that knife is in a bit. Believe it or not, I got about 5 or 6 years ago this knife, and I have never sharpened it yet. You gotta find yourself one of these Jinsus. They're fucking awesome knives. They're really thin. Look at that shit. Look how thin that fucker is. It's like a butcher knife type deal, chopper knife, and it's really thin. Just like that. You can see how thin that fucker is. It's real freaking thin. And you can cut through anything with it. Advise you not cut yourself or your bones with it. Hope there ain't no sickles out there thinking to get that kind of knife and use it for fucking cutting people's bodies parts off. That's disgusting. That fucked up shit. Be a fucked up horror film though. New Halloween movie. Or something like that. One of the axe murderers or serial killer takes off with a knife, takes a Jinsu knife and uses that and butchers up people. That'd be fucked up shit. You can just see them sawing right at it. I got another knife that's pretty damn big and sharp. or was sharp, and it needs to sharpen now. It's a big old Bowie knife. I took that and chopped the head off a fucking deer with it. Just went right, like 5 or 6 whacks, and it was boom right through the fucking bone, and it goes. Maybe I'll show you guys my knife collection and my sword collection sometime. My arsenal. Don't own no guns yet, but I'm going hunting this year. I got a couple bows, need strings fixed on them. But anyways, they're all done. They're ready to go in the oven. This is how they look. Just like that. You don't put the frostings on until last. So I wonder if this thing will fit in the toaster oven. If it fits in the toaster oven, then oh fuck, it's too long. So I'm gonna have to preheat the oven for this. Anyways, this is part 1 of the video. I'm gonna have to make part 2. Part 1's just preparing the shit, and then the next one will be after cooking and show you guys how they look. And oh yeah, almost forgot. Gotta show you how that knife works through a tin can. All right, got a tin can.
Hey, Bob. I got one done.
All right, where the fuck is empty cans right now? Go find me a tin can real fast.
I don't know where any are.
Empty ones anywhere in here? Shit. Where's those tin cans that the dog drugged out? Oh, wait, there's fucking trash. I didn't go through that trash. Oh, fuck it. I'll just do this. I'll have me a can. Mix fruit real fast.
You do.
Here's how I'll do it.
Yeah.
Alright, watch this. I'm going to open a can of mixed fruit with a knife.
I don't think anybody would care.
There's an ant on that.
Hey, Courtney, come on.
It's starting to cut through. Look, it already cut through it, see?
Courtney, come on.
What? Stop done with this video. Stop done with this video.
I need to talk to you.
Hold on.
Good sound effect for the knife.
Turn it. There you go. Cut through there just like that. And now watch this. Come in.
I don't know where any are.
Get that off the floor real fast. Alright, here.
Yeah.
See how sharp it is still? There's a half an onion sitting on the table. Sitting right there. So you can see that onion right there. Watch how fast it goes right through it. See? Right through it. Still cuts and everything. Doesn't ever need to be sharpened. Never sharpened in my life yet.
It's not like that.
Now this one has never been sharpened yet.
That we know of.
Yeah, we know of. I've never sharpened it ever.
Unless Roy did when you were drunk one day.
Roy don't sharpen those knives because don't let no one touch it because this is my cooking knife and I bought this in. Actually, I didn't buy it. It was a demonstration knife. I got it for free. We're going watching the demonstration. I just made another demonstration on video.
Is it done? Or no?
Alright, so now I got 3 cocktail left to go.
What are you doing?
Mmm. Alright. By the way, this is Rob Leroy. First half of the video. Gonna preheat the oven first and preheat the oven and ready.
I'm gonna make a video of that.
So now here's a piece of onion. There's no cutting, it's a smooth edge. No really tough, rough edges or anything like that. It's like all the cut around. This perfect little knife to take you with when you're going camping too. When you need to open something if you don't have a can opener. Use this knife. But anyway, that's my making the redneck cinnamon roll hot dogs, or redneck cinnamon pigs and blankies, and they're ready to go in the oven. So anyhow, this is part 1 of the video. Rob Leroy, signing out.
Dad.